We've explored how biological size eventually becomes a trap. Now we get to witness that exact same evolutionary mechanism play out in the economy. For decades, the ultimate rule of business was too big to fail. Scale equaled safety, market dominance, and a moat that competition simply could not cross. But environments change. AI is acting as an economic meteor. Now, the massive energy requirements needed to run a corporate giant are a fatal vulnerability. The modern enterprise equivalent of biological sclerosis is technical debt. It's the accumulation of outdated systems, patchwork code, and bloated infrastructure that slowly paralyzes an organization from the inside out. Look at total enterprise IT spend. U.S. businesses are crushed by a $2.41 trillion annual tax just to maintain technical debt. Locally, the average enterprise bleeds $370 million every year trying to prevent archaic platforms from collapsing. This level of operational drag creates a structural ceiling. Scale becomes a liability, an overhead trap, where organizations grow their revenue while their actual profit margins quietly disappear. While the old monoliths crumble, a highly adaptable economic species is taking over the ecosystem, the microgiant. Consider the math of a traditional 10-person creative agency. Just paying salaries and keeping the lights on costs about $1.2 million every year. By the time that legacy agency covers its extreme overhead, real estate, and management layers, they retain a meager 6 to 15% of their revenue as profit. Now, look at the solo AI operator. A single individual armed with a $500 a month software stack can produce the exact same output as that entire 10-person agency. This area chart compares the profit structures of the two models. While the legacy agency scrapes by on a tiny sliver, the solo operator retains an 85 to 95% profit margin on the exact same revenue. Curious, leaning in, we are watching a complete mathematical inversion of the traditional revenue model. So how exactly does one person with $500 in software systematically replace a corporate department? The answer is the 2026 technological shift away from passive AI tools and toward autonomous, agentic AI operating at the edge of the network. This flowchart shows the workflow difference. Traditional AI requires constant prompting. Agentic AI takes a single instruction and autonomously breaks it down into multi-step goals. These agents pull data, draft insights, and execute final workflows while the operator sleeps. Agentic AI permanently decouples a creator's earning potential from their physical time, eliminating the biological need for human scale entirely. Zooming out to the macroeconomic level, we can clearly see the impact of this biological shift across the broader global market. The massive centralized nodes are going dark. They are collapsing under their heavy integration taxes and wide-open cyber attack surfaces. Rising in their place is a highly efficient swarm of 29.8 million solopreneurs. Together, these independent operators are now generating $1.7 trillion in U.S. revenue. This network visualization illustrates the concept of decentralized resilience. A tightly coupled, centralized corporate hub is fragile. One failure brings down the system. In a decentralized web, a single node can fail while the rest of the network continues operating flawlessly. This distributed structure reduces the blast radius of cyber attacks by half, while simultaneously doubling total productivity. By decoupling production from headcount, the microgiant has reached an unprecedented efficiency frontier, a frontier that legacy firms simply cannot match. The ceiling on what one person can achieve alone has been completely shattered.